back again. A couple 100 feet from where we left off. I think the snow that we had a couple days ago, on account of the temperature conditions we've had, is still able to blow. The temperature favorable, was favorable to allow it kind of not to get a hard froze cap on top of it. It's still loose, and it's real whiteout conditions, really. I mean, I should be able to see Dean Critson or Tony Critsinger's place from here, and I can't. We're coming up on Tony Critsinger and Kevin Christensen's road there, Bruce Smith's road. Oh, there's a Power Stroke stuck in the driveway, right in the driveway. Yeah, it's snow up to his front bumper. He must not. I kind of thought someone there would have had a plow on a truck, but I mean, I know they got big John Deere tractor with a nice loader bucket on it. They can push all that out and stuff. Maybe they got forks on it and stuff right now for feeding hay. I really like those LED amber lights on that truck, strobing on the headache rack on the back. That's very, very nice. I remember the truck I drove for the county was like a 1996 Chevy, and it still had the one amber light on the top and a light from when it was new. Piece of shit. You couldn't see it at all. Might as well not even have been there. These new amber lights that are out in recent years here are just very, very highly visible. I really like them. I think they'd be a good accessory to have on just a regular civilian truck. I bet those ones on that truck in front of us now would look really pretty if it was dark outside. The snow behind him, they'd be illuminating that snow and stuff. It'd just be fantastic. We're approaching the overhead bridge. We're nearly there. Oh, by the way, what I'm doing here is I'm going into Sheraton to the Super 8 Motel. That's where my mom and little brother are at. My mom has to work again tonight. I believe she's just going to stay in town and hitch a ride out to the nursing home to work when her shift begins. But I'm supposed to go in and get Brentley and bring him out to Grandma Joe's. Here's the red bridge. That snow is just ramping the guardrail there, coming right up that steep bank and jumping the top. That's kind of cool. Railroad. I can't see Brian in front of me now. It's really. He really slowed down for some reason there. He's probably talking to Butch on the radio. Butch is probably letting him know, hey, we got one coming. Brian, we got one coming. Slow down. That's probably why he slowed down. It's kind of funny the chatter on the CB radios and stuff in the truck sometimes. It gets annoying when you're not part of the operation, though, and you don't need to hear it. When you're forced to listen to it constantly. I always was bothered by that. Oh shit. Turn my damn wipers on, huh? Whoa! Damn, I was gonna go off the road there. Lost my way. Couldn't see nothing. Snow's just blowing right up and over. I don't know if there's anybody behind me or not. Can't see out of my mirrors. Turn my hazards on. That might help people be able to see me better. I don't know if my headlights are on. Tail lights are on right now. I gotta blow this snow What's Brian gonna do? Is he gonna take a left? Yep, he's going left. Probably headed back to the shop. He's got the blade up. Look at this unit this guy's got. That's a nice little John Deere tractor there. He's opening up the intersection with that thing, I believe. Oh, that little thing there really pushes some snow. It's nice. 655 John Deere set on there. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm off of Brian's plow support now, and it shows right on the shoulder here. This snow is probably 2 feet deep. I can see to the west of me. The east looks like it's going ahead and blowing off the highway on over the bank. And they got to get the big trucks out here to get rid of these windrows. These windrows are pretty damn deep. The snow's just blowing right off of them back onto the road. It's so fluffy. Let me see what the temperature is right now. It's 18 degrees. So it's not going to ice and cap anything with this on this snow here. I have not seen any cars off in the ditch yet. That's good. Although honestly, the snow is deep enough now and it's blowing and stuff good enough. It wouldn't take much to blow over a car and you'd bury it pretty quick. But this video is a 7-minute video now. I'm going to get off here. Get ready to get on